Hey there, hope you're doing good. The hardest problem in UX design and product design is communicating what you have built to the user. What is it? How to use it? Who is it for? Let's take my earlier startup FutureCam as an example. What is it? It's a camera app. Photography, but specifically camera. So you take photos within the app. It's not an editing app like Photoshop, where you already have a photo and you edit it. Who is it for? It's for people who have an iPhone and are passionate about photography. Now, many people, if you ask, are you passionate about photography? They'll say yes. But you ask them to watch a YouTube video or read a book or attend a workshop or go to a nearby lake for photography. Not you happen to be there and you take photos, but go there specifically for photography. You ask them to do any of these and they'll come up with excuses. So they're not really into photography. This is for people who take effort to improve their skills. And it's a high quality app. It takes really good photos in an intuitive manner. Communicating this is very important. It's also important to communicate this to team members. I tried to recruit a co founder and he didn't join. Later, I asked him why not. He said, I had no idea what on earth you're doing. You told me a lot of things, but I didn't understand it at the end of the day. And then, after repeated conversations of this kind, where people were puzzled what we are doing, or they say yes, yes, but they're not truly understanding, we built this website. Capturing the photos for this took maybe 2 months, 3 months. And then building the website itself took one of our engineers a whole month. So communication takes a lot of effort. Similar to or comparable to building the product in the first place. Maybe not as much, but comparable. And this is necessary to communicate. Otherwise, you can build the best thing in the world, but if you can't get it across, what you have built is useless. మనం ఏం చేసినా అవతల వాళ్ళకి అర్థం అవ్వకపోతే దాంట్లో ఉపయోగం లేదు. ఈ విషయం గుర్తించడానికి మనకి ఇష్టం ఉండదు, కానీ తప్పదు. Did you understand what I said? It's often like that. Different people are speaking different languages. Sometimes people use the phrase dumb users. And when you build something and you show it to users, you'll find them struggle to use even the most basic thing. It's almost like you've built them a supersonic jet plane and they struggle to open the door, let alone fly the plane. That's where the phrase dumb users come from. On a scale of sophistication, you know a lot about your app because you have built it. You're an expert in that. But people are not. So they'll appear dumb to you. Even if you try to foresee and fix some problems, users will have even more elementary problems. When a usability study is conducted and a company brings in people to use the product, engineers often get frustrated looking at it. They want to grab the mouse and click something on behalf of the user. Click it, it's right here, types. In an in-person communication, if people didn't understand something, you can explain. If they say, I didn't understand, or you can ask them, did you understand? Or if they show puzzlement in their face, if they show that they're puzzled, you can explain. But when you're building an app or a website, you're not there to explain. So this is a big challenge in UX and product design, and one you should budget significant amount of time towards.